In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an arithmetic expression for a sequence. So if we have a problem like this that says write an expression that describes the sequence below, n represents the position of a term in the sequence. n equals 1 represents the first term. Okay, so first step is notice this pattern increases by 1 each time. Okay, so minus 20 plus 1 becomes minus 19. And then minus 19 plus 1 becomes minus 18, and so on. Okay, but what you have to do is ask what number added to minus 20 gives minus 20. So if you add 1 to minus 21, you get minus 20. Okay, so that's what we're trying to find. The expression is n minus 21 because we start at 1. 1 minus 21 equals minus 20. So let's see if this expression works. Check the first three terms. To find the first term, plug in n equals 1. So we plug n equals 1 here and calculate it out. Well, we already know 1 minus 21 equals minus 20. Now let's go to the second term. So to find the second term, plug in n equals 2. 2 minus 21 equals minus 19. To find the third term, plug in n equals 3. 3 minus 21 equals minus 18. Well, this is our sequence exactly, right? Minus 20, minus 19, minus 18. So the answer to the sequence is n minus 21. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you didn't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link to my ebook. You can download it. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.